Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hi! Today we will use India ink, a brush, a straw, a pen, something to color with, and our imagination. Because imagining things is one of the most fun things to do, and you can surprise yourself with the things you'll come up with if you use a little bit of imagination. We're going to make Inky Creatures. Take out your ink and jot down a random shape using your brush. You want it to be kind of wet, but not make a huge puddle. Now, before the ink dries, take out your straw and with a few quick blows, make the wet ink fan out. You might need a few tries to get the hang of it. The direction you blow from, the angle, your distance from the paper, the force you blow with, it all gives different effects. I find short, forceful blows are most effective. Also, a thin drinking straw will have a different effect than a wider one. I don't have any drinking straws, but I do have this cut-off handle of a water brush that was damaged anyway, and I wanted to recycle it. It comes in really handy now. Make a bunch of these and let the ink dry. You'll have a little collection of inky stains that you can use whenever you feel like making some kind of creature. Pick one of them and take a bit of time to look at its shape. Turn the paper and look if you see any form or shape you can use. Look at it like you would look at the shapes of clouds. If you look long enough, you will see shapes or animals or characters in clouds. Maybe there's a bit of white that could start out as an eye, or maybe you see a head, legs, arms or wings or a tail in the fanned out ink. Then pick up your pen and dive right in. It's a little scary at first because you have no idea what you're doing, but if you just start, the drawing will grow and you'll get ideas to work things out as you go. I see a bird in this blotch, so I give it a large beak. I can extend the shape a bit for its belly, give it a bit of texture, and then with long legs, this becomes kind of a funky inky creature, I think. You can add details, patterns, color and even accessories if you think of any. And that way you can make this exercise as elaborate or as simple as you like. You can come up with fun stories, make whole families of creatures, whatever feels right, as long as you're using your imagination. So try this today. Make a mess and then make some creatures. I'd love to see what you make. It'll be so inspiring and fun. So please share your Inky Creatures on social media using the hashtag DTTInAction. I can't wait to see it. Bye!